This week you are the discussion director, and that is sort of an exciting role because the discussion director is kind of like the group leader. So it's your job this week to make sure that your group does a good job in their group meeting, that everyone is staying on track, and a really big one is to make sure that everyone has a chance to share what they have done. Now you also have another job, and that is to think of some really good questions. There are some different kinds of questions, some that I'm going to tell you to stay away from, and some that I'm going to encourage you to use. So, yes or no questions don't really start a discussion. It's very fast and easy to answer a yes or no question. You could say, did that character do something bad? No. Now, nobody's really talking. We're not discussing your ideas. So your job is to get people to start talking about what they think. So don't use yes or no questions. If that is how you can answer your question, just with a yes or no, it's not a very good question for a discussion director. Here are some words that are going to be really helpful for you. You can use other words, of course, but asking why. Why do you think that this character did this? Why do you think that this happened? Okay, why is a great word. How is a good question word. How will this character figure this out? How did they end up here? How did this person know about that? How questions are very good. And then I really like this one too. What if questions? What if this character had noticed that this was happening? What if this character did this other thing? So these are some good words that you should be using in your questions. You're going to write 5 good questions that are going to get people talking, and you're going to hand those questions in to me, but you're also going to bring those to your group circle time this week, and you're going to be the one leading the discussion. All right? Off to work. I'm excited to see how you lead your group.